Okay, so students, this is the next question of chemistry. That is from the physical chemistry part, and we can say this is from the stoichiometry or concentration terms part. Okay, so this question says molarity of H2SO4 solution is 4.9 molar if the density of solution is 1.4 gram per ml. So we have to find out the molality and the mole fraction of the solution. So we have many ways to solve this question, but let's take a simple approach. What thing I can do? They have given the molarity and they have given the density of solution. So one simple thing that we can find out is the weight by weight percentage. So directly I can start. So we can say molarity is equal to weight by weight percentage into density into 10 divided by the molar mass of solute. So this is a direct formula that we can use for calculating or for equating molarity with the weight by weight percentage. So molarity they have given is 4.9. Weight by weight percentage I can find out. Density they have given 1.4 into 10 divided by molar mass of solute, and in this case solute is H2SO4. So its molar mass is 98. So if I calculate the weight by weight percentage from here, this will be equal to 4.9 into 98 divided by 14. So this will be approximately equal to 34.3%. So here we have find out the weight by weight percentage. Now what I can say, this 34.3% means in each 100 grams, of solution, we have 34.3 grams of H2SO4 and the remaining will be the solvent. So solvent will be equal to 100 minus 34.3 grams. This is the amount of water. This is the amount of water that we have. Okay. So if we have to find out the mole fraction, and this will be equal to 65.7 grams. So we can say in each 100 grams of solution we have 34.3 grams of H2SO4 and remaining 65.7 grams of water. So if we have to find out the mole fraction of H2SO4, this will be equal to number of moles of H2SO4 divided by number of moles of H2SO4 plus number of moles of water. This will be equal to, what I can say, number of moles of H2SO4 will be equal to 34.3 divided by 98 divided by 34.3 by 98 plus 65.7 by 18. So this is equal to the mole fraction of H2SO4. So in this case we had to find out the mole fraction of H2SO4, and this will be approximately equal to 0.088. After calculations you will find this value. And remaining thing that we have to find out the molality of solution. So again we can say molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by the weight of solvent, but this weight of solvent should be in kg. It should be in kg. So simply again we had find out that 34.3 by 98, this is the moles of H2SO4 divided by the weight of solvent, and this is equal to 65.7 grams. So we have to convert this grams into kg, so I have to multiply over here by 1000. So after solving you will find this value is approximately equal to 5.3, 5.4 approximately itna aayega. So as per the question if I go, so in the first option they have given molality is equal to 5.34, that is coming around that we are getting after calculations, and the mole fraction of solute is 0.088, that we had got over here, that this is approximately equal to 0.88. So as per the options I can go that the correct answer for this question should be option A.